Can Theta token make you a millionaire in 2021? Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be talking everything about Theta token. This is the only Theta token video that you need to watch. We'll be explaining to you exactly what Theta token is. I'll be explaining to you some of the key reasons why I love Theta and why I've been buying Theta for less than $1. I highly recommend you go watch our previous videos, even the breakout out of $8 to $10. We've traded it. I'll share with you exactly how we've been trading Theta token in the Rockstar Trading Group with entries, targets. In the YouTube videos, I show exactly which coins I'm buying, looking to sell. If you watch the recent Theta video, I shared the $8 level that I was looking to buy and target of $10. So in the YouTube videos, I show where I'm looking to buy and sell. In the Rockstar Trading Group, I can post exactly when I'm getting in some targets and entries. If you are interested in the Rockstar Trading Group, there's a special offer. I'll leave the links below. But now let's get straight into Theta. So guys, what is Theta token? Theta token is a next generation video delivery, and it's powered by you. It tries to resolve an issue that I don't think the other major players in the video content delivery is not trying to solve. So one of the key things, I'll straightly get into it. So a problem, lots of cryptocurrencies, they want to do this, they want to do that, but they're not really solving a problem. Theta token is actually solving a problem with their content delivery networks. So if you have any technical issues, especially parts of the world where internet isn't very good, or when you bring in 4K or 8K use, Theta aims to solve this problem by creating peer-to-peer network in which consumers are rewarded with tokens for sharing their resources and keeping the platform's performance level at sufficiently high levels at all times. So it's actually rewarding the users as well, not just you watch a YouTube video and you have to people play ads on the YouTube video. Even on my YouTube channel there's ads and you have to watch that YouTube videos. So Theta tries to turn it into a head, and if you watch it and contribute your resource, you can actually benefit from it. So the live streaming of today is poor quality, the content delivery lack reach, there's issues with the video. The demand for is skyrocketing. The user demands 4K, 8K, and this is what Theta token is trying to resolve. The centralized and inefficient system that we've got at the moment. With Theta token, Theta Fuel is trying to change that. Viewers can get rewards as Theta Fuel, higher quality and smoother video streaming with decentralized peer-to-peer network, and a reduced cost of delivery video streams. So as the quality of the video gets bigger, the benefit, the users get benefited, and also the quality and the experience of watching the quality gets better as well. So this is the key thing in summary. This is what I love about Theta. I highly recommend you go watch my Theta fundamental video I made about 2 years ago. Go watch the video. I'll touch on the breakout trades we took on Theta when it was breaking out above 60 cent and 80 cent. Again, you'll be saying, oh, Rocco, Theta's at $10, why are you talking about buying it now? Go watch all my videos, guys. I'll talk about which coins I'm looking to buy and sell. There's loads of videos now that we're looking to trade, but Theta token fundamentally, I think this can still go a lot higher. I'll touch on buying and price prediction, and also share with you a key update. The title, what inspired the title was this story that I read, so I'll touch on this as well. So that's in briefly what I love about Theta. If you look deeper into the project, some of the partnerships that they've got are the best in the industry for any cryptocurrency. Enterprise validator nodes, Sony, Samsung, Google, some of the best, biggest players in the industry are partnering the enterprise validator nodes for Theta. So it shows you the power of Theta, and this is not like most cryptocurrencies will do this, will do that, mainnet launches. Theta is actually delivering it, use cases, and solving a problem. That is why I like it so much. They're still about a month away from their Theta mainnet 3.0. This is usually a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Again, I've talked about Theta 2.0 back in a year ago. We've traded that beautifully. There was a huge pump leading up to it, and then there was a pullback. I think there will be a pullback. Again, I'm getting into the price prediction bit. You guys know I'm more of a trader, but again, if you're interested in more of these fundamental videos or any other coins, let me know. I'm happy to talk about more fundamental news. And if you're interested in Theta staking as well, I'll make a VeChain staking video next, as requested by the YouTube subscribers. I'll be looking to make a Theta video as well for staking. If you're interested, just comment below that you're interested in that. So this is another big news. It's slightly older news. Theta network is quickly moving towards full decentralization with 14 enterprise validators can't seem to be able to pronounce that word today, of which 7 are run by Theta Labs, and with Sony Europe being our 7th external validator, marks an important milestone for the project. So again, that's a big news. Theta's also got involved with the NFT rally. You know, NFTs has been the craze of 2021. All the social media people are getting involved, and Theta's being involved in it as well, and that's helped the price push up for Theta. So again, that's not something I particularly love. I love the issue that they're solving with their content CDNs, but again, that's something that is helping pushing the price up. And then finally, institution staking as well. There's, you know, institutions are using Theta more. Institutions are staking over 100 million worth of Theta. Theta is already in the top 10 coins, so you can see the, you know, institutions are getting into Theta as well. So this is not a project that we should be sleeping on. Those are the key news on Theta, and I've explained to you briefly why I love Theta. Now let's start getting into the price prediction of Theta. So you don't look to invest in something that has already gone up, you know, thousands of percent. I think Theta goes a lot higher. I think in the short time frame, Theta goes towards $20, and I'll share with you what I'm looking at. But you know, from just investing and trading, if you're looking to buy a coin, you want to buy coins which are breaking out, and that's exactly what we're doing. And you can see the price where Theta was around 60 cents, and I said if it gets back above there, I'll look to buy. And then I made another video a couple of weeks after when it was above there, and I was saying that, you know, I've taken half off, and as long as it's above there, I'm going to look to run. My main trade in Theta was above 80 cents, and that's where I held 10% of that trade. The way I trade is I look to sell as it's going up, and then I look to add back in. You know, I sold 80 cents to $1. It was my main trade. I bought more and left that 10%. Then I bought more Theta here, and then around $8, the most recent video, if you watch, you'll see exactly where we are trading. And I can share with you that in the Rockstar trading group, I posted exactly Theta's broken out. I'm long as long as it's holding above 750. I'm long Theta. And then let me share with you some more posts. There's lots of people talking about Theta. So Theta's been a monster, and my main trade was when Theta BTC broke out above this level, and Theta BTC broke out, Theta USD broke out, and you know, this has definitely just been an absolute monster of a coin. And you know, it's been my 10x this year, which is amazing. You know, I bought in less than $1, and I sold most at $10, and it's carried on going higher. So I sold after I sold. I'm holding some small bag, but from big trade positions, I'm not in at the moment. I'll share with you what I'd look to buy more bags, but it's up 40% since I've sold. Again, please make sure you have a strategy. People watching now will be saying, Rocco, you're crazy, you sold. But I've got my investment bag in Theta that I bought below $1. I've just sold the position that I got in above $8, which I shared in the Rockstar trading group, and that's the trade that I sold. And I'm going to look to buy in again, but as it's going up, you need to have an exit strategy. If you bought before $1, when it's around this much, sell some. If you don't sell any, you're not actually making money. So that's a really important concept to clarify. If we want to invest in coins that are really cheap, not when they're up here, and then when you do get in a good setup, make sure you have some targets of profit, because if you don't have a profit taking target, and then leave some on. If it goes to $100, I've got some Theta that, you know, I'll probably sell at $100 or even higher. So now looking at the price, guys, I want Theta to dip into around the $10 level, the daily moving average. If Theta pulls into $10 to $8, I'd look to buy back again. Theta, even though it's such an amazing coin and one of my favorite coins fundamentally, it has pulled back, you know, 30%, 40%, 50%. So if Theta starts pulling back into this level, the $10 to $8 level, this is the zone. I've got my alert set. I'll post in the Rockstar trading group when I'm looking to get in. That's where I look to buy. If Theta doesn't pull back and just starts continuing, so here I said if it pulls back to $5, I'll buy. It didn't do that. I had to buy at the breakout. So I'll do the same. If Theta just starts consolidating and then breaks out above, I'm going to have to buy a bit higher, similar to my price. Again, this is not just in the Rockstar trading group. I've showed you exactly my post from previous dates. If you watch the YouTube videos, I've documented all of my Theta trades for the past 2 years. Watch them, learn them. If you know if you want to take this seriously, investing and trading, you have to, you know, put in the work. So that's my price thoughts on Theta, and Theta BTC as well. It's just brilliant. As you can see, it's just going higher and higher, and this was my main breakout trade once. Theta, let me just share that with you. The BTC chart from the trading group that I showed, my main trade was when it was breaking out above 8,000 sats. That's when I started going aggressively in Theta. As you can see, the 8,000 sats is the main level that I was interested in. So guys, that's all good. That's the pullback level I'll be looking to buy, and then as long as it holds, I would say say, let me go back to Theta USD. I don't want to just say buy and never sell, because you need to have an exit strategy. I'm gonna look to get in on here on some price level on $10 to $8. If it starts breaking below, $7, $6, I won't be interested as much. But I'm hoping that Theta pulls into here or consolidates, and I'll look for a trade setup. And if you love Theta, look to just buy some now. But again, don't invest all your money now or big positions. Wait for a bigger 50% correction. Back then, that's where you look to jump in. There's lots of other coins. You can subscribe to the channel, smash that like button. It really helps getting crypto content out there. A lot of the bigger social medias don't share crypto channels as much, so by liking it, you help not just myself and other crypto YouTubers as well share the content. So now let's go on to the fun bit of the video. So this is the story that I read. So this person bought around 100,000 Theta tokens at about this cent. I'm assuming it's an Australian person. The girlfriend really got angry that he had invested so much on fake internet currencies. But about a year later, Theta's 10x and he's become a millionaire. And then he said F you to his girlfriend. And that just shows you the power of cryptocurrency. Even if you missed out on Theta, there's lots of other opportunities that are out there. If you get in good trades and you try to hold, then you can be a millionaire. So talking about the title of the video, the higher the price goes, the more capital you need. That person, I'm assuming he said, how much did he put in? He put in about 10 to 20,000, 17,000 Aussie dollars, Australian dollars. If you want to get in now, you'd probably need $100,000 to buy about 100,000 about 10,000 Theta for it to go up to $100. If Theta goes to $100 and you own about 10,000 Theta, that will make you a millionaire. But it needs you're having to put in a lot more money. So if you think about that, if you buy about $10,000 worth of Theta now, that will cost you $100,000, and if it 10x, it goes up to that much. But that guy bought 100,000 Theta, let's say, just to round up, and he bought it for $10,000, and then when that goes up 10x, 100x, that's how you make that much money. So again, that's my thoughts on it. The price is a lot higher. You need a lot more capital to buy Theta to be a millionaire. So you roughly need about 100,000 to buy about 10,000 worth of Theta. And if Theta goes to $100, you'll make that money back. But again, am I saying invest all your money on Theta? I'm not. I'm just sharing with you my thoughts. I've shared it exactly how I've traded it. I've got a 10x there on Theta on my 10% off my position, and I've sold as it's gone up, and I've shared with you some new trade setups as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, guys, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. If you want to find out more about the Rockstar Trading Group, I'll leave the links below. There's a special offer. The way the market is going, we've waited 3-4 years for this market. If you are interested in taking your trading to the next level, I'll leave the links below. If not, guys, just smash that like button. It doesn't cost you anything, and helps get the word out there for Theta and other cryptocurrencies. So make sure you smash that like button. To end the video, what is your price prediction for Theta? Do you think Theta can get to $10, $100? I said initially I'm looking for this level next, and then we'll see what happens. But do you think it can get to $100 or higher? Comment below your price prediction for Theta. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.